Behind every send button, there is a world of protocols that work to deliver an email. Today, let's explore the role of SMTP and POP3 in your email's journey. Hello, and welcome to Mailtrap Videos, where we explore the world of emails. SMTP, or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is a common standard used primarily for transmitting emails or electronic messages between mail servers. When you send an email, SMTP locates the recipient's server using the domain name system and delivers your message. This process, known as SMTP relay, ensures your email navigates through various networks to reach its destination. POP3, or Post Office Protocol version 3, is a standard for accessing emails. It was designed for situations when internet access is limited. POP3 downloads all the messages from the server and deletes them afterward. Instead of the server, the emails are stored locally on a specific device. This means you can access your emails from one device at a time. For multi-device synchronization, a different protocol called IMAP is used. Check out our video about IMAP linked in the description below. So the main difference between SMTP and POP3 is that SMTP focuses on sending, while POP3 deals with receiving and storing emails. And that wraps up our overview of SMTP and POP3. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More email-related content is on the way. See you there!